Hello, my beautiful blossoms. It's Lily here from Inspirational Flower, your sanctuary of serenity and wisdom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. Today, we're going to delve into the enchanting world of Kalmia, a flower that symbolizes the knots of kinship and the beauty of family bonds. Picture this, a lush, verdant forest, where the air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming Kalmia. Their vibrant pink and white petals, clustered together like a family, sway gently in the breeze, whispering tales of love, unity, and resilience. In the heart of this forest, there's a young couple, newly engaged, their hearts brimming with love and anticipation. They've chosen the Kalmia as their symbol, a testament to their commitment to nurture their bond, just as the Kalmia nurtures its blooms. As they tie a knot with the Kalmia's stem, they're not just promising to love each other, but also to grow together, to weather life's storms, and to bloom in harmony. But the Kalmia doesn't just represent romantic love. It's a symbol of all the relationships that enrich our lives. Picture a mother gently tucking a Kalmia bloom behind her daughter's ear, a silent promise of unwavering support and unconditional love. Or a group of friends, each wearing a Kalmia bracelet, their bond strengthened by shared laughter, tears, and dreams. The Kalmia teaches us that relationships, like flowers, require care and patience to bloom. It reminds us to cherish our family bonds, to nurture our friendships, and to celebrate love in all its forms. So the next time you see a Kalmia, remember its message. Love deeply, grow together, and bloom with joy. That's all for today, my beautiful blossoms. I hope the Kalmia's message resonates with you and inspires you to nurture your own knots of kinship. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and join us next time as we continue to explore the enchanting world of nature and its boundless capacity to inspire, heal, and connect. Until then, keep blooming and remember, every petal tells a story and every bloom inspires. This is Lily from Inspirational Flower signing off.